Hello guys, it's a 2K God for Life, and I'm with my friend Caden, and we are doing a basketball card pack opening. These are from the 90s, and I found them in my collection, and I didn't open them yet for some reason, so I decided to open them now. Caden, you go with the first pack.
We'll do this one first.
Alright, show it to the camera. We are going to do the NBA hoops. Alright.
Wait, you have this one right there.
And I'll do NBA hoops. We'll open the exact same pack, and we'll see who can get better pulls.
This is the same one.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one. Alright, let's see who can get the better pull. My first card is
Mike Woodson.
I don't know who that is. I got Bob Thornton. Don't know who that is.
There's coaches in this.
Oh, wow.
Roy Tarpley.
Oh, I got a good one. Sidney Moncrief. It's a Hawks one, though.
I got a coach, Ron Rothstein.
I do not know who that is. I got Stacey King.
Glenn Rivers.
Ooh, I got a good one. Mark Price.
Oh, this one's good. Gary Payton.
Oh, nice. I got a 1990
nice
lottery
card.
pick. Boo Kimball. Ooh, I got actually a pretty decent one.
Got John Williams.
Robert Parrish.
Kenny Battle.
A rookie card, Blue Edwards.
Tim Perry.
Ooh, this one's not bad.
What is this?
Ooh, I got such a good pull for my next card. I got Tom Chambers. That's pretty decent. Ooh, that's good.
It looks like a good card, but it's
Alvin Robinson. That's
Alvin Robinson.
I got such a good pull. Charles Barkley. Let's go. That's a good pull.
Wow. Ooh, I got a good one next. Larry. I'd rather not say the last name, but okay.
All right, my next pull.
All
right.
Reggie Miller. Pretty good.
That's good.
My next one is
Jerry Reynolds.
I got this. Dominique Wilkins.
Ooh, that's good. I got Mark Akers.
Jeff Grayer.
I got a lights, camera, and NBA action card. I don't know what that is, but
Yeah.
they're horseback riding.
2 more cards left on mine.
I got Dana Barrows. Oh, I remember him from 2K.
Yeah. Fred Roberts.
Mike Scholler.
And with my last
coach.
card, Terry Teagle.
And my last card is Rory Sparrow. I think I won.
Yeah.
No, actually, no. You had a good end to it.
Well, I had Terry Teagle.
No, but you got that's a
Gary-
Gary Payton. That's
Yeah,
a
I
good
had
one.
Gary Payton.
Ooh, that's it.
I feel like this card's just good. I don't know who it is, but
Yeah, that's actually.
Alvin Robertson, nice card. Reggie Miller.
Oh, that's a good one. And then Dominique.
So my
Mine-
starting 4. And then my starting 5 would probably be like, who would I put in?
All right, so we're gonna make a starting 5 to see whose is better.
My point guard would be Gary Payton. What position was Alvin?
Probably like a shooting guard. I feel like.
Where's my phone?
All right, so my starting shooting guard is gonna be Sidney Moncrief. Kind of an old one, but pretty good one. Where's that Mark Price card? There it is. Mark Price is gonna be my point guard.
Alvin Robertson is the only guard in NBA history to have a quadruple double.
Oh, nice. That's actually a really good card then. I feel like this Stacey
Shooting
King
guard,
card.
yeah. Albert Robinson.
Oh, my coach is gonna be Mike Scholler, by the way. That's actually not even that bad. of a coach.
My small forward is Reggie Miller.
I remember that guy from 2K.
I have a small lineup.
By the way, my sixth man is gonna be Dana Barrows.
My power forward is Dominique Wilkins.
That's a pretty small ball lineup. Oh, my center is gonna be Robert Parrish.
My center. I didn't get a single center in my packs.
Oh, Charles Barkley is gonna be my small forward.
He looks like the tallest. So I'm gonna go with Larry Krajkowski.
Nice. So this is my lineup. I got Mark Price at the point guard, shooting guard Sidney Moncrief, small forward Charles Barkley, power forward Tom Chambers, and then center is Robert Parrish. I feel like that's a pretty good lineup.
Mine is.
I think they're all in the Hall of Fame except for Tom Chambers. So.
Here's mine. Oh shoot. Gary Payton at point guard, Alvin Robertson, Reggie Miller, Dominique Wilkins, and Larry. And coach.
Okay, so we're gonna grade it by who has a better point guard, shooting guard. So I think that you have a better point guard.
Yeah.
I think I have a better shooting guard.
Probably.
I think I have a better small forward. You have a better power forward, and I have a better center, so I win that.
Yeah. I didn't get a
Dude,
single center.
Larry is the god.
I didn't get a single center in my pack.
All right, and then also my sixth man. All right, so now we're gonna open the Fleer basketball player photo cards. Okay, I don't know about this, but we're gonna open it.
Which one? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
This is an old one.
This is really old. Holy. All right, I'll go first. I got Mike Gibbinski.
I got Cliff Robinson. I know him.
I got Mike Sanders. Ooh, I got a good pull.
Michael Thompson.
Kevin McHale.
Stacey King.
Back-to-back Charles Barkley.
Wayman Tisdale.
Tim Perry.
Oh, I had him in my last pack.
Who?
Tim Perry.
Oh, yeah.
Billy Thompson.
Trent Tucker.
Mark Price.
Ooh, a Pistons rookie, Dennis Rodman.
Rod Strickland. Oh, what the heck?
Ooh, that's actually not a bad one.
Alvin Robertson.
Cliff Robinson, that's actually not that bad.
Sam Perkins is okay. Wait,
Michael Thomas.
Wait, Cliff Robinson? I got Cliff.
I think we got the exact same card.
This one?
Stacey King.
Oh, yeah, I got that too. And I got Cliff.
All right, Stacey King.
Derek McAvey.
Wayman Tisdale.
Pooh Richardson.
Billy Thompson.
Todd. I don't know his last name.
Mark Price.
Hey, I got him. I got Mark Price. Sam Vincent.
Rob Strickland.
I got him too.
Charles
Charles Shackelford.
Alvin Robertson. Let's not even doing starting five anymore. Doesn't really matter who does better. We're just showing the cards.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna sort my cards though by the packs. All right. Next one we're gonna do is a NBA Hoops 15 NBA trading cards.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Oh. Your card fell off.
Bless you.
Bless you. All right, I'm gonna go first. I got Michael Jordan.
Oh my.
I have Michael Jordan. Let's go, bro. I'm stacked.
Ooh, Moses Malone.
Dude, these cards are stacked.
I got Moses Malone.
Mark Eaton,
John Long.
Clyde Drexler.
Trent Tucker.
No way, Trent Tucker, bro.
Isaiah Thomas.
Oh, that's a good one. Harold Presley.
Otis Smith.
Scott Skiles.
Frank Burkowski.
Kenny Battle.
John Stockton.
Ooh, Bill Lambier.
Dave.
Oh, you got Will Lambier?
Yeah. Joe Barry Carroll.
Del Harris is a coach.
Stop.
Oh,
Quentin Daly.
Patrick Ewing.
Richard Anderson.
All-star game Patrick Ewing.
That's pretty good. Ooh, I got a good one. Daryl Walker.
My last thing I did. Okay, I'll do
All right, you go.
Ralph Sampson.
Reggie Miller.
Ralph Sampson's
Oh,
okay.
NBA All-Star with Reggie Miller, too.
Okay. How much do you have left?
3.
You go. I have two.
The rest are garbage.
Mine are good, so you do yours.
John Morton, Michael Ansley, and Leston Connor.
Okay. Mark Eaton.
Ooh, I got that one.
You guys are gonna have to finish that up when we get home.
Okay.
And the last card of the pack, Irvin Johnson.
I don't know who that is.
Magic Johnson?
I forgot that his first name's Irvin.
Yeah.
All right, we'll continue later. All right, we're back, and we are ready to open the packs again.
This one.
All right, so we're gonna open the NBA hoops, the official NBA basketball cards. Great game action photos, so it should be pretty cool. 15 cards in this pack, so we'll see what we can get. You go first.
Okay, my first card, I got Tom Chambers,
Not bad, I can't even get mine open.
John Paxson,
You just do your 15 cards and I'll go.
hold on, I'm looking through. Okay, boring pack. Yeah, I'll just finish mine. Maurice Cheeks, I know like that. Herb Williams, Chris Morris, pretty good. Robert Parrish, Buck Johnson, Liddell Eccles, Bill Fitch, coach. Kevin Willis, Alton Lister, James Edwards, Rick Adelman, coach, and Wayne Cooper. Very boring.
Yeah, that's really boring. So, I'm already gonna have a better team than you. My first card's All-Star Chris Mullen.
Hey, I got
Who'd you get?
Robert Parrish,
Oh,
Maurice Cheeks is
Oh,
okay,
Kevin Willis.
and Tom Chambers.
Kevin Willis.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's good. Ooh.
And John
this-
Paxson was pretty good.
R.I.P. Jerry Sloan. Very good coach and a good NBA player. Benit Benjamin. Michael Adams. Sidney Lowe. Randy Brewer. Oh, Craig Helo. Mark Jackson. Mark West.
Oh, Bill. I remember
Bill
that guy.
Cartwright. Johnny
This guy with
Dawkins.
the form in 2K.
Oh, I don't like that form.
No, that's Kevin Duckworth.
Is it? I
We
think
know
it's
Bill
Cartwright.
Duckworth. Kevin Duckworth has a weird one too, but
Yeah.
so does Bill Cartwright.
Danny Ainge. Isn't Dan? I think
Danny
he's a
Ainge is
coach.
good. Yeah, he was good, but
Rod Strickland.
he's a good coach.
Hakeem Olajuwon. Oh, and Wes Unseld. That's a good way to end it.
Yeah. I ended mine on Wayne Cooper.
Nice. All right, so which ones you got left?
Which one did we just do?
Oh yeah, because you had one more than me
This
on
one
that
maybe?
one.
Yeah. So
So-
we have different packs. I have these two.
And I have these two. So
I'll do this one because it's more boring.
yeah, and then you can say that. That one's really good, I think. And for my next one, I'll open. This one looks really cool, so I'll do this one first.
Okay, Charles Smith, Mark Eaton, Reggie Miller, Dana Barrows, Kenny Smith, Jerome Kersey, Dave Corzine, Reggie Lewis, Quentin Daly, Sean Kemp, pretty good, Ron Anderson, oh,
Oh, this one's so boring.
Dominique Wilkins, Bill Hanslick, Larry Brown, and Cliff Levingston.
All right, guys. So this one literally says player photo cards. This is all coaches.
Is it?
Yeah.
No?
Oh, it isn't. Wow, I just got a lot of coaches. Okay, so I'm not even gonna say the coaches. All
This is a
right.
good coach. Like one of the. Oh, never mind.
Bob
Oh, that's only
Weiss,
two
Chris
coaches.
Ford. There's a lot more. I thought because I saw like
Oh,
two coaches, so I was
that's
like,
actually good. This pack looks good.
Dewan, Carlos, West, what? Oh, Vlade Divac. That's a good one. Oh, that's with his Lakers too. That's when he was young or old, I think.
More coaches.
Cotton. I'm not even gonna say his last name. Kevin. I don't even know. Oh, Patrick Ewing.
Oh.
Michael Jordan. Bill Fitch. Jim Rogers. Grant Long. Blair Rasmussen. Mike Dunleavy. Oh, that's Mike Dunleavy Jr.'s dad. And then Lenny Wilkins.
Okay,
That's actually a really good card. I mean,
Here's my last pack.
I've gotten 2 Michael Jordans. That's good.
Okay. I've gotten.
I'm gonna keep the wrappers with my cards so I know
That's
where.
what I did.
Where'd my wrappers go? Did they? Oh, they're on the side.
Oh, battery low.
I'm gonna assume that this is with. Oh, you put them on there.
Yeah.
I think we did this one first.
What?
I think we did that one first. Let's see if this one. Oh, no. This one's right here.
Okay, here's my last pack. I'm not gonna say. Ooh, these cards look nice. Look. Look.
Just a second. Alright, there we go.
Look, these look nice.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
Okay. What's your last pack?
NBA basketball, every card, stamped series 2. Looks pretty cool.
Okay. Got Randy Brown, Herb Williams, Danny Ainge. No, you do 3.
I do ooh. Oh, I thought that was.
That looks like Mikey.
I thought that was David Robinson.
Oh, I didn't see the jersey.
Ooh. Wow. Chuck Person. I actually had him in 2K. Freak you. I'm putting this on my leg. Chuck Person. Vern Fleming. Chuck Person, the exact same card. Ooh, Moses Malone. That's an old one.
Christian Laettner.
You do 3 now.
Vinny.
I feel like cards stuck.
Oliver.
Oliver.
Jeff Grayer. Got him earlier. Okay. That's 3.
That's 3. Yeah, I'm separating my cards because they're like stuck together in a way.
My pack's boring.
What?
I looked through my cards. It's boring. I'll just do one.
Yeah, it's 2 years.
Terry Mills, the Pistons. Dexter Cambridge, the Mavericks. Jay Goodinger. Trent Tucker. Mike Dominski. Sherman Douglas. Greg Foster. That's it.
That's pretty boring.
Yeah.
All right. Grant Hill. What the heck? Sergei Bazarevich. I'll show you guys. Horace Grant. Ooh, Danny Manning. Cheesy card in 2K. Greg Anthony. Ooh, I like that. I like that card, actually. Looks pretty cool. Ooh, Muhammad Abdul-Rahif. Remember him in 2K. Charles Barkley. Steve Kerr, if you know, you know. Godly 3-point shooter in 2K. Alright, so do you have any more?
No.
Alright, so that's going to finish the video, guys. If you want another one, then comment, and I might have to buy some new ones because it was pretty fun. So I'll talk to you guys later, and remember, stay safe. Bye.